Good morning. I am going to try to run another little experiment to see what the difference is between planting a pot of, I'm going to plant some purple beans, a pot of purple beans without any shreds, and I'm going to plant a pot with a handful of shreds. It's just a handful of shreds. The medium that I have in here is just chicken yard dirt, so it's a lot of organic material in both buckets, and just a handful of shreds. Now what I'm doing right now in the shreds bucket is I'm trying to mix in the shreds so that they will hit the root system of the green beans, or purple beans, so that the roots will be what gets the shot of nitrogen. I don't want a lot of the wool on top. I want it to hit the root zone. I'm just trying to mix it in really, really well. And I'm doing it in a pot because I did not prepare my garden space well. So, all right. So again, it's just chicken yard dirt. I'm going to sprinkle in some beans here, sprinkle in some beans here. Push them in with my finger just a little bit to see about germination rates. You know, how fast everything will pop up, and then we'll see about production. It's not a scientific experiment at all. It's just an experiment to see what an average person might experience when they use Woollets in their soil when they are gardening. And I love the idea of sustainability and using something that's considered a waste product. All right, and there we have it. We'll see you later. All right, it's been 6 days. I planted these seeds, and then I went off on a little trip to New Mexico to see my niece. Got back last night, and this is what I've discovered. I was pretty wowed by the fact that the Woollets, I didn't water them, but that first day. So the Woollets bucket is much more full and still looking pretty moist. And the non-Woollets bucket has fewer germination. It's a little bit behind also. You can see that it's just, there's one bean sprouting here and one just coming up here in the non-Woollets bucket. Oh, another one here. But in this one, so many more are up, and there are 1, 2, 3 sprouts at the bottom there too. So I'll give you a close-up here. I'm going to water them. That's what you hear the spray. This is the Woollets side, and that's the non-Woollets.